Sharpening a pocket knife with the Lansky turnbox system. The knife that we've got today to sharpen is a folding knife. It's a nice little buck knife. I use it for most of my everyday things, from skinning rabbits to opening letters, parcels, that sort of thing. It's my go-to EDC knife. It's got a carbon wrap handle, belt clip, and it's a locking knife. And push the little thing over here and it shuts, and it's easy opening with one thumb or finger, whichever way you want to do it. So let's get on to sharpening this knife. The turn box itself has holes pre-drilled in it, 25 degrees and 20 degrees, and it opens by a little swivel on the side. You've got two ceramic dark rods, horse rods I guess they are, and you've got two white fine rods. So what we're going to do is insert the two white ones, and we're going to put that onto the preset 20-degree holes, just like that, and they're set. So this is how easy it is. You take your knife, hold it onto the rods at 90 degrees to the rods, draw it back and slide it down, trying not to roll the tip. 1, 2. So right, we've sharpened the knife, the old buck. Let's see how she cuts. I love it. Yeah, I think that might just be pretty much sharp.